name is Lyrica Robertson, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make tomato flatbread pizza with pesto, fresh mozzarella, balsamic vinegar, greens. So as you can tell, I have everything displayed and laid out. You always want to make sure that you have everything out because that way you're not running back and forth or missing any items. So today, we're going to start off with a piece of flatbread on a cookie sheet. Okay? You take the pesto and you spread the pesto on there evenly. You can put as much as you like. Some people like a lot of pesto, some people don't. It's okay to me. You know, it's not really, I don't have to have that much of it. Okay, once you finish putting that on there, you want to take your tomatoes. Tomatoes that you have cut up, diced up into little bitty quarters. You spread those on there. You know, you want to kind of make sure that it's all over the place. You know, I like tomatoes, so I'm going to use a lot of it. So, now, you want to take your mozzarella. You kind of want to just tear it up into pieces and sit it on there. Okay? So then you just want to make sure you display it on there. Get enough on there. Some people like a lot of mozzarella, some people like a little bit. So I'm taking my mozzarella and I'm sticking it on here. Okay. You're going to take this and place this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that the tomatoes are nice and soft and your mozzarella cheese has melted. So in the meantime, you want to take out your green mixer. You want to take your arugula and you want to add it to your bowl. And you want to take a teaspoon of balsamic vinaigrette. You add it to the bowl. You also want to take your olive oil. You just want to drizzle it lightly. You know, it's up to you because it's up to you. It changes the flavor of your olive oil, your balsamic vinegar a little bit. You take it and you stir it. You just mix it in. Mix it in real good. And once you get it all mixed in really good, you just sit this to the side. And with the voila of TV, after 8 to 10 minutes, this is what it should look like when it comes out of the oven. Your cheese has melted some. Your tomatoes are nice and soft. So what you want to do, once you take it out the oven, you take the green mixture and you put it on here. I kind of like green mixture a lot, so I would just take and put all this on here. It won't make a difference. It all depends on how you really like it. Then you take your walnuts that you have crunched up and you put it on there lightly. Or you can put them all, it's totally up to you. Then you want to take, and once it's done, it should look like this. And then you just want to take it and you break it apart. Like so. I like to make sure I get a piece of every little thing on there. And then you just want to taste it. This is so good. So I just want to thank you again for joining me and actually making one of my favorite dishes that I love to make. And again, I'm Lyrica Robertson. Thank you for tuning in.